Hi guys, this is Vishal here from Trapcode. So in this video, we will understand how to import an HTML theme, a Bootstrap HTML theme in Trapcode. So as you know, Trapcode supports uploading of HTML themes so that you don't have to build or design things from scratch, and you can use a ready-made HTML template or a layout and then build your application from there. So Trapcode uses Bootstrap 5 as a UI framework. So any theme which is compatible with Bootstrap 5 can be imported in Trapcode. So I am on this Bootstrap website. So this is the UI library which we use. So if you go to themes, you can see hundreds of themes like this. And then you can just import them in Trapcode as it is without any issues, right? You can just go and purchase this and then upload it as it is. So let me show you a couple of examples. So all these themes seems to be paid one, but you can just Google search and you will get hundreds of HTML Bootstrap themes which you can use in Trapcode as it is. Thousands of these themes you can just import as it is. Okay, so let me try to find the free one. So this is free, this is free, this is free. Okay, and I also search for plain admin, which I'll just use. So plain admin is a free HTML theme which I'm using for the demo purpose so that I don't have to purchase it. Okay, I'll say download now. So free version. Theme is downloaded. Right. So this is an HTML theme which got downloaded. Now, if just we want to see how this looks like, let's go and see the live preview. Okay, so this is an HTML theme, right, which we just downloaded. So let's say I want my application to look like this. So, and I've already downloaded the theme, or you can purchase if you want to use some other theme. So how that can be done? So I'll go to my project and go to this section, which is custom HTML theme, or you can go to app settings and you go from here, custom HTML theme. Here, just upload that theme. Okay. Just upload the zip file as it is. That's all what you need. Make sure the zip is less than 50 MB because we don't support files of more than 50 MB. Okay, it's done. So if you have files which have a lot of images, JavaScript libraries, you can just ignore all of them, delete of them, and create a zip file again. So we only need the Bootstrap library and few HTML files. That's all, and the images obviously. So the image, the theme is uploaded. You see it's processed. If you go to the custom CSS, you can actually see these CSS files. These got uploaded as part of theme uploading. Okay. Now, since I have uploaded a theme, I don't want the default CSS of Bootstrap to interfere. So I'll go and uncheck this checkbox which say don't load the CSS of Trapcode. Now we will just pick everything from this Bootstrap theme, right? And the bootstrap.css file which we need is anyways coming from this theme, which is bootstrap.css. We don't need the theme, the CSS, which is coming from Trapcode. So this is fine. Now let's go and build one page. So this is a blank page. Now I'll go to my components area. I can see a theme page. So by default, we just bring one page, index.html. If you need other components which are part of some other pages, you can just copy them as HTML as a custom component, paste it here. We have a separate video for that. For now, I'm just showing you how this works. Just go and drag and drop. That's all. So the page is here. So this is some loading icon on top of page. We can go to the layer manager and disable this. I think this is this box. Okay, so I'll just disable this, or I can even delete this because we don't need this loading icon. Right now, if you see, this is the complete thing which we just uploaded, right? It is as it is. Trapcode is able to understand it completely. If I go and preview, I will be able to see it. So this is the theme which is coming from the theme which we just uploaded. Let me show you the original version. This is the actual file. Okay, there is no difference. Let me just publish so that this URL go away. So this is coming on Trapcode after we uploaded the theme, and this is coming from the actual demo from where we purchased the theme. You can see there is hardly any difference. Here you can see there's hardly any difference. So this is missing and this chart is missing because we have not uploaded the JavaScript libraries, because that anyways will not work. We will have to implement the on the base of the data which is coming from report, but the look and feel and everything you can see is same. So that these boxes are here, the tables are here, the left menu is here, all these are working fine. And then we can customize this as needed. And this is the actual theme. So now let's go and do some customization. Now let's say I want left menu to be coming from my snippet, this coming from a snippet, and I don't need all these several options. So let's see how that can be done. So let's go and create a snippet. So I'll say I'll create a snippet, which is sidebar. You can create as many sidebars, as many navbar as you want from the theme UI itself. Okay. For different roles of users you have. So I'll just create admin sidebar. Let's create some admin dashboard which has sidebar, header, and some center part which we'll use to create form and table and all those things. So same thing. I'll go here. I'll just drag and drop this page and remove everything which is not needed. First of all, I'll remove this loading icon. Sorry. I don't need sidebar. I only need this sidebar. So I just remove everything else. I remove this. I remove this. Okay. I can even see from the layer manager. So I just need this aside. That's all what I need. So this box also I don't need, but I don't know where this box is. So I just need this aside. So I'll move it outside of the theme page. And then that's all. So my left menu is done. Right, and I can change this. So all these components will be recognized by a code. You see, you can actually style it, change font color and everything. So let's say I'll say my dashboard. Instead of plain admin, I want to change the icon to code icon. So that can also be done. So let me just upload the icon. So I'll upload the code icon. It is here. Let's say I don't need this thing. I'll just remove. I don't need this button. I can remove. I want to change something. So all these are Bootstrap classes. You can apply the bootstrap classes, which is BTN warning, which makes the button yellow, right? So let's say I don't need this, I can remove this. I need more of this, I can just duplicate them. So this is completely understandable by drab code builder, right? So you don't have to worry. So let's say option one, option two. So all these things are coming from this sidebar. Now let's go and build a dashboard. I'll say admin dashboard. From that admin dashboard, we'll have sidebar, top bar, and all those things, and we'll create a page which looks from similar to that theme, so that you know how to create pages from the HTML template. Okay, I'll go to the component. This time I'll look for a snippet. Which snippet? Sidebar admin. So you see the admin sidebar is here. Let's go and click preview. So this is the sidebar of my application. And it has all the options which we just added, all these things, and you can then customize it. And this option is also. Now let's go and add the top bar. Okay, same thing. I'll go to the snippets and create a snippet. We'll say navbar admin. Create a snippet. Go to the plus icon. Again, drop the same index.html. Remove this layer. Go to the layer manager. Okay. So I need to remove this box, which is fine. Now this time I don't need all of these. I don't need sidebar, so I can just go and remove it. I don't need this container. I'll remove it. I don't need this footer. I'll remove it. I only need this bar, correct? So let's see what all layers needs to be removed. So this box, this is main, This is section. Let's remove this. Okay, it's not needed. Header. So I think main and header are the one. So I'll just keep this, move it bit top, and remove everything else. That's all. So this is my header. If I need to remove some of these options, I can just delete them, right? So let's say I don't need, I can delete. If I need, I can keep them, and I can change it as needed. So let's say notifications. Now I'll go back to my admin dashboard and add this bar as well. So here in the components, I'll go and look for a snippet, drag and drop. Which snippet? This time navbar admin. So my navbar is also here. So you see the navbar is here. All these options are here. This is something which we just changed. These options are here. This is here. All these things are here. There is some gap, which obviously some CSS setting needs to be done. We'll see in the theme that how this is coming. Probably some classes needs to be applied. So let me just go and check. So it's main wrapper, sidebar, nav wrapper, overlay. I think it's sidebar nav wrapper. So this is something which you need to do just to make sure that everything is aligned as it is. There may be some CSS settings that needs to be checked. Okay, so I think main wrapper. Okay, yes. So basically, we just needed to make sure that both these divs have the exact same classes which are coming as part of the theme. So this is it. Now I'll just publish the changes and then let's view this page. So remove the preview from the URL. Okay, so now here you see the basic layout of your application is done from the theme, and it's taken us maybe like 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, where you have your application ready with the design, with the layout which you have purchased or which you it's just coming from the theme. Now you can put your tables, forms, and all those can also be accommodated to the design which is coming from the theme. You just need to make sure that you apply the right CSS classes to those elements and then just use as it is. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.